All right, still the weekend. Bitcoin's kind of just chopping sideways, but we did have a sweep to the downside that is, in my opinion, pretty bullish. So I don't mind seeing that. It was a proper swing failure pattern, and we got some more interesting confluences over here on Trading Light. I want to cover more of shorter term time frame stuff today, going over what looks bullish and bearish to figure out what kind of edge we have in the market. But before we do jump into that real quickly, I got to shout out that Blowfin has a new event going on that is exclusive to those of you that use my referral link to sign up. So definitely go check that out. Don't miss out on it. Earn yourself some cool rewards and bonuses on a pretty good exchange. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Bitcoin price action. Over here on Trading Light, where we can see our order flow, something very noteworthy is that you see within this range we've had, this is on 30-minute candle time frame, open interest is trending up. CVD is trending down. What does this mean? Well, it means positions are opening. Those positions are opening short. So a lot of people are going short in the market right now, kind of at the lows, right? We weren't seeing as many shorts being opened at the highs, but now we're down at the lows. A lot of shorts are piling in. Now, does that automatically mean shorts are on the wrong side of the market? No, absolutely not. If we cannot make a higher high right here, if price goes down, that will be bearish continuation from shorts. That'll be good selling pressure. But if we can get above these highs, if we can flip this point of control into support, if we can do something like that, then at this point you will have trapped all the shorts in this range, and that will signal you're going to use those shorts as fuel to the upside. So this is a big important level. It's around 58,900 to, let's say, 59,300, somewhere within this previous consolidation range. If we can get back above that, you're going to be trapping all of these shorts that have been opening, right? All your shorts really started opening right here, and they've continually been opening throughout here. So let's see if price is to get above that. If we can get above that, that would probably signal the lows in, or at least we're going to have a massive squeeze up until we have another low. So yeah, while this could be bearish continuation, right? We can't rule that out. If we can't make a higher high here, if that is to roll, then yes, that is going to be pretty bearish for us. And we're probably going to hunt down lower until we squeeze more longs or whatever price wants to do. Maybe more shorts start fumbling here. Then we have a swing failure at these single prints, right? This would kind of be the next level if we are not able to get back above this. So let's watch price. Let's see if we can get back above this, trap those shorts that are open in the market. I know sentiment's really bad right now, so I'm not surprised to see a bunch of shorts over here on Binance opening up positions. Let's talk about this swing failure pattern. We have a little bit of a failed auction at the lows, a lot of sellers being absorbed by this big buy wall. We kind of talked about these walls in yesterday's video. 600 Bitcoin being placed in there, price bounced off of it, and he removed his other orders. So this guy had some more orders staggered in here. It looks like these have been removed, so don't really know why exactly he did that, but it could be that he actually moved them up. You do see some more walls being pushed in here. So maybe he already entered all of this stuff back into the market. Who really knows what's going on there, but certainly noteworthy. And then, yeah, essentially on the shorter term time frame stuff, we just want to be holding these higher highs. We want to hold the higher lows, hold the golden pocket. We could come back down to test this one more time, but I don't really want to be accepting anything below this. Some quick wicks would be fine. This low should hold if we are going to have this swing failure play out. If not, like I said, next target, not too much lower, at around 55, 56K down there. Another big level of interest for me. Now let's go back over here to Trading View, and you do see we're finding very nice support on one of our points of control within here. Held pretty nicely, only wicks below that, but we have come up and rejected this hourly 50 EMA, so we'll see if this is able to reclaim. I'm still obviously pretty bullish. I think there's just a better chance that the low's in. Am I super confident of anything? No, I mean, this happened during the weekend, but CME is above us, so it would make sense to actually go up. If we do start closing where we are going into Monday, well, we're going to have a CME gap to the upside, so this stuff's going to get swept. Like if we are bearish, probably going to do something like that before heading lower. As far as RSI goes, nothing too crazy here. We got a bit of a hidden hourly bearish divergence, so lower highs on price, higher highs on the RSI, but we also have a regular bullish divergence, lower lows on price, higher lows on the RSI, and that's 3 drives of that. So what I'd be watching here is the trend of our hourly bull divs. Can this hold? We're tapping up against it right now. Are we going to be able to bounce off of this, or are we going to actually flip this into resistance, which could signal a bit of a bearish move down? But I don't rely too much off of these trends, right? They can get broken like this and then just pop back up. So nothing too crazy on the RSI or really Bitcoin overall, but definitely don't mind the sweep of the lows. It was structurally sound, and I wouldn't be surprised if all the shorts opening within here do get trapped. chopped. But outside of Bitcoin, what's going on with the altcoin market? And this is a little bit more bearish. So we had lost the point of control we wanted to hold. I said no problem as long as we hold the golden pocket, but we did not hold the golden pocket. We swept the lows, which not the worst thing in the world. Tested mid-channel trend and had a swing failure of the lows, but we have come up and rejected golden pocket, so that's not a great sign to see. If we are truly bullish, we need to be getting back above this and flipping it into support. So we'll see how this plays out. Nothing too conclusive yet. Still have 2 more hours on this 4-hour candle close, so let's see if we can get back above the golden pocket. I really don't want to be closing this 4-hour like we are right now. Not the best sign in the world, but yeah, overall we're still at support, so I wouldn't be panicking just yet. Mid-channel trend support as well as volume within here. We're still holding kind of the value area low of this range within here. So definitely, as long as we can hold this, as long as we can get back above golden pocket, start getting back up, this is the big level we want to flip into support at $566 billion market cap for total 3. I want to get back above this. If we can do that, then I think there's a good chance we're going to be going all the way up here, potentially flipping that to support, big altcoin season, that sort of thing. So while it's not the best looking chart right now, we're still holding the sweep level. Only time will tell what's going to happen here. And really, we just need a traditional finance to open. So that'd be later today, right after I upload this video. You'll see futures start opening, and once the S&P starts doing its thing, I do think we have a potential to break into all-time highs here, which will be super euphoric for markets, and I think we could see a big catch-up game in crypto. I think we could really melt faces here, especially in September. If we were to just go parabolic, that's probably going to throw everyone off guard, and Bitcoin markets overall like to throw people off guard when the majority's thinking one thing. Probably not going to happen. So with everyone being bearish right now, with the structural confluences we have for a low potentially being in, I wouldn't be surprised if we get the big short squeeze up sooner rather than later. But if you do have any questions about anything I talked about, or just want to join the community for this channel, link to my Discord is in the description down below. Also have a VIP Discord below that link that is specifically for leveraged trading, 25% off for the rest of this month. So go check it out if you're at all interested. Read through it, decide for yourself if it's worth the money or not. Trying to provide value. It's not a signals group. And then, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, Blowfin is doing a limited time event right now for my subscribers. And not only is Blowfin doing this, but I have exclusive events with a couple of exchanges. So make sure to go check out all those links for my exchange partners that help support the channel. And you also get some good perks and rewards. It's a win-win situation. So don't miss out on that. But with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.